Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Located in Tower Isle, St. Mary, is this 5,700 square feet, 4 bedroom, 5 bathroom, 2 level house that has to be seen in person to believe. With its open air and spacious feel, it boasts high ceilings, electronic gate, double garage with automatic doors, master suite with large walk-in closet area, kitchen built for a chef, open living and dining area, well laid out home office, pool with hot tub, solar panels that provide 20 kilowatt per hour, water storage tank. This house is nicely landscaped on approximately 10,068 square feet of land. There is also a covered gazebo with space for a grill and is well fruited. Property is being sold with large appliances, solar panels, water tank, air conditioning units, and ceiling fans. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is US 1.4 million or Jamaican $215.4 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.